Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart tools and smarter investing. In today's video, we are diving into Stock Rover, the powerful investment research and portfolio management platform that helps you go way beyond basic charts and codes. Whether you're a DIY investor looking for deep analytics, or you just want to compare stocks like a pro, Stock Rover has everything from fundamental screening to portfolio tracking and a lot more. So, if you are ready to take your investment decisions to the next level, grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's begin by going to the official website of Stock Rover. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, here we all know that the better option is to click the sign in for a free trial. Now, all you have to do is provide all the information needed and click the next button. Once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Stock Rover. And right off the bat, you would easily notice that it offers an intuitive interface, and the tools in the left side area are very user-friendly. So let me take you to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the homepage on Stock Rover. It gives a high-level overview of your investments, market performance, and watch lists. So widgets can include performance charts, news headlines, portfolio summaries, top gainers and losers, and a lot more. Now, the thing is, you can customize all of these to fit your tracking style. Right now, this is a newly created account, so we don't have yet anything in place. Now, below that is going to be the markets. This is the section that provides a snapshot of the overall stock market, displaying indices like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones, along with the sector performance, market breadth, and heat maps. It's ideal for gauging the market sentiments and macro trends. Of course, under the collections is the codes. The codes area allows you to view real-time and delayed price codes for any stock, like ETF or mutual fund. You can compare different tickers side by side right here. If you go here, performance, current returns, and historical returns, you can have that. Okay, so you can analyze the performance, dividend yield, and other fundamental data. Now, in terms of the portfolios, you can create, import, or link your portfolios. Okay, click the save button so that you can track your holdings, returns, and performance versus benchmarks. So you can analyze allocation, sector, industry, plus region. Now, with this, you can run detailed metrics on your portfolio's fundamentals and risks. It's like having your own portfolio management dashboard. All right. Now, the watch lists is where you can monitor, create, and manage potential investment opportunities. These can be customized to the metrics that you care about. For example, valuation for IBM or dividends. Watch lists also integrate with alerts and charts, and you can have all the summary, analysts, news, dividends, monthly returns, until versus industry. Okay. Now, the screener is where Stock Rover shines, because you can use the screeners to filter stocks based on hundreds of criteria like valuation ratios, growth metrics, quality metrics, dividend strengths. You can use all the pre-built screens or save your custom formulas. Now, the world gives you the global overview of international stock markets. With this, you can explore country-specific indices, ETFs, and macroeconomic indicators, which is kind of very useful if you invest or want exposure beyond US markets. Under the portfolio tools, you have the analytics. This is a dive into the fundamental and technical analytics for individual stocks or portfolios. This includes ratio analysis, earnings trends, historical performance, valuation models, peer comparisons, and this is one of the powerful tools for serious investors. Now, let's go to the Brokerage Connect. This tool lets you connect securely your brokerage accounts to Stock Rover. All right. because once connected, it automatically imports your holdings and transaction data for real-time portfolio tracking and analysis. Okay, so you can have that. Speaking of the Brokerage Connect, you also have the option for the research report. Okay, now the research report right here gives you an access to the automated research report on individual stocks. These provide summaries of valuation, financial strength, earnings consistency, growth potential, and dividend quality. Now, these reports align and as really great for thorough evaluations because it is tied up to the stock ratings. Okay, because you can assign proprietary stock ratings like 1 to 100 scale based on factors such as value, growth, momentum, quality, and dividend strength. These ratings help you quickly gauge how a stock measures up across different investment styles. Okay, and then there is going to be the library, wherein this is where you can check for saved content like screeners, portfolios, watch lists, views, insight, tasks, and metric packages. It helps you and your workflow organized and reusable. Now, then there is going to be the metric browser. This is a powerful tool to explore and understand every metric Stock Rover tracks. Okay, so there's like over 650 of them. It gives definitions, formulas, and examples for valuation, profitability, efficiency, technical indicators, and perfect for building your own screeners or understanding stock fundamentals. Now, you see there's going to be an option here for entering a ticker. If you're not familiar yet, you have all of these options for you, like SPY or AMZN for Amazon.com. If you click on this stock, you would be able to understand a lot of stock fundamentals. Okay, so you have all these. Amazon's AI-powered AS. You have the summary, analysts, news, dividends, monthly returns, EPS, statements, history, technicals, versus industry, and of course, the insight tabs, which is really insightful to give you more information about Amazon as a ticker that you want to explore here in Stock Rover. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on how to use Stock Rover. So if you are serious about researching stocks, tracking your portfolios, or comparing investment opportunities side by side, Stock Rover is a top-tier platform that combines depth, usability, and flexibility. Although it may take a bit of time to explore all its features, but once you do, it's a game changer for data-driven investing. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.